Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make these crochet bulb ornaments. I used medium worsted yarn and an F hook. You can use cotton yarn if you'd like. I used Impeccable and Red Heart. And if you'd like, you can add a nice special touch. And in my store, I have these gift tags. And if you decide to order the gift tags with this pattern, then just make sure you go to the top right in Etsy under purchases or go to your email. Okay, so all links are down below and you can place your video in slow motion if this is too fast. Okay, so let's get started. With the F hook, I'm going to do a chain count of 3 and this measures about 4 inches. You can always make this bigger or smaller by going up or down on your hook size or making more rounds. So I'm doing a chain 3 and slip stitching in that first chain to create a ring. You can also do this in the magic circle, but I feel like it looks better this way because it looks more tight in the center. And then I'm going to do a chain 3 and then I'm going to yarn over and work a double crochet right into that center and then grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a double crochet. And then I'm going to work 10 more for a total of 12, and that chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Work that all the way around until you get to the beginning. I'm going to slip stitch into that top of the chain 3, and then I'm going to chain 3 again for a double crochet. Counts as a double crochet. Then double crochet right into that same stitch. Then I'm going to do 2 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 24. Then I'm going to slip stitch on top of the chain 3 again, and then work a chain 3 for a double crochet. Then I'm going to work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, which is an increase, and then work a double crochet in the next, and that's the pattern. It's going to be 1 2 1 2 until you get to the beginning. This one will just be the 1, and each round you're increasing 12 stitches, so you just keep adding, and then work your 2 double crochet increase in this stitch, and then work that pattern until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch again on top of that chain 3, and then work a chain 3, and then double crochet in the next stitch. Work 2 double crochet increase into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase, so it's 1 1 and then 2 until you get to the beginning. So 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and then an increase, and then slip stitch, now slip stitch and fasten off. Take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Now you can add your topper to this ornament, slip knot onto your hook with gray yarn, and anywhere on the last round you can slip stitch in and work your stitches. So chain 2, and then you're going to work a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. You'll have a total of 5, including that chain 2. Now chain 2 and turn and work 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then you can chain 6 for a little handle and then slip stitch on the opposite side. Yarn over and pull through, and now you can weave in your ends and your bulb is complete. I hope you enjoyed this crochet bulb ornament tutorial, and the pattern is down below. These make for really great gifts, and you can add a nice special touch with the gift tags. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.